What a pain in the butt. This is my US Sega Sports Dreamcast, and it worked fine, and then one day it just didn't. And I thought I might need a new Dreamcast, and I might need a new Dreamcast.
This is the soft otaku intro song. I know it's not very long, and I hope you will enjoy this video.
But it's the only American Dreamcast I've got in Japan, and I want to play my American games like this one. So I did a little asking around and some research, and some people said you need to turn a screw, the potentiometer, and maybe that'll make it work again. And I tried that like so many times, like 100 times, and it never would read it. So then Ross, thanks Ross said, just swap in a Japanese laser. And I'm like, dude, I don't know, man, putting in a laser, that's not really my thing. I don't know. So I did that. And the laser assembly is a different shape, so it's like a different kind, and I thought that might mean that they're not compatible or whatever. Plus one's Japanese, and then I'm trying to read American games, and I know the lasers are the same, but blah blah. I don't know what I'm doing. Anywho, let's see what happens. Obviously, the tray nanda, whatever this is called, lever thing is up, so it thinks that I'm just using composite video right now for testing. By the way, Dreamcast on composite, at least on this Trinitron with my Dreamcast, looks pretty dang good. I mean, for composite, it's pretty crazy. Usually I play on this VGA monitor. Sometimes I play RGB on this PVM. And these are the Trinitwons. So that's a bit of a preview. What? Anyway, let's see what happens if I come back over here and push this lever down so it thinks that the lid is closed. Please wait while disk is being checked. One thing I did notice as I was turning the stupid screw is that beep is really important. If you can get it to a point where it beeps, then you're close. And so that helped me a lot. And I don't know if that's true for Japanese Dreamcast, but that was the case with this American one. My next question is, because I don't want to turn this screw anymore, does Shenmue always take this long to load? Like, hello, McFly, I mean, I realize it's a big game and everything, so I'll wait till it gets to the part where it tells me there's no VMU, and sorry for the reflections and stuff, but, I mean, I guess I could turn the light off, but that's just going to be dark. Oi, how long does it take to load? What do you think you are, Neo Geo CD? Ha! Come on, man. Loading. Hey! That's a good sign, people. So thanks again, Ross. Let's pop in another disc and see if I can make that work, and if it loads up faster. Hold on. I just took my finger off of the lever. Hold on. I don't want to do now. I'm not gonna. Maybe I can just walk over here like this. It's more exciting. Hey, look, it's a mirror. What? What's going on? What? Okay, so somebody sent me some Dreamcast games, and another Dreamcast from the US. I don't have very many, and some of them aren't that great, but what can we try? Let's try some Crazy Taxi 2. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so, all with one hand. This is awesome. Super, good at making videos. But I was so close to giving up, you don't even know. And the fact that I got it to work with this other laser makes me wonder if I had just kept trying the potentiometer thing adjustment with the original laser, if I would have eventually gotten it to work. I don't know. But it seems to be working now, so I'm not going to mess with it. But holy moly, dude, it's like a tiny, like a hair's breadth, literally, that made the difference. So if you ever do this adjustment, which is quite easy, obviously, if I could do it, then yeah, very small turns. You want to get to the point where you know you're going the right direction, right? And then you just go a tiny bit at a time. And then when you get a beep, you go even smaller adjustments, right? So okay, the game's in down here. Crazy Taxi 2 or whatever he says, or it, or she. Please wait while this will this load faster? Come on, baby. The long beep. This was the first time I got the long beep too, so I figured that was a good sign. Because before it was kind of like beep, but then it was like this last one just now. Beep. Man, I'm a handyman. Okay, that loaded way faster. So it appears that I have taken, which unfortunately I don't have the sticker on anymore, a Dreamcast that I paid 300 and at the time 15 yen for, because sales tax was 5 yen, at hard off, and used it for parts, and that Dreamcast worked. But anyway, and now we have a working American Dreamcast again. Woo! I love you, bye! Thanks again, Ross. Alright, let's try turning it off. Just usually, right, you've got the disc in when you turn it on, I reckon, so this is how it's going to be normally. I don't know, I just want to do it one more time because I'm so happy about it. I need more US Dreamcast games, especially now that my Dreamcast actually works again. Apparently the prices are going up, though. That sucks. I wanted Mars Matrix for the longest time just because it's one of my favorite shooters, and it was like $50 forever, and I guess it's not anymore. So got a controller hooked up, hopefully. Oh yeah, these things. Apparently, you're not supposed to jiggle this when it's on because it can pop the fuse. But for the sake of this video, I'm taking that chance, which is pretty stupid. But they need a lot of jiggling. What? Press the A button to. I'm pushing it, biatch. Okay, hold on. Seems like all my Dreamcasts, the controller ports are pretty finicky. Alright. Anyway, I want to get 2 consoles hooked up and do some like network play or whatever it's called, like a couple GameCubes or whatever. These are exactly the same model TV, and it just happened like by chance. And I had boxes of stuff over here, but then I just was like, I don't know, man, they're twin-it-ones. Isn't that clever? Aren't I clever? And so I just felt like I have to put them together because they're like just the right size. And why is the button working? Okay, technical difficulties as you.
We're back. It's Crazy Taxi 2.
Yes, we are. We're back.
It's party time. Let's have some fun.
Party? Yeah, I'm not gonna do
Let's
that.
go make
I have
some
a
crazy
cold.
money.
Oh, that's so loud! Oh my God, it's so loud! Oh, Okay. Whew. I hope everyone's okay. If you don't have a pink Hello Kitty controller, your life is incomplete. Alright, come on. Let's do this. I'll just make sure stuff like works. Reverse. What? Drive. Steer. It works! Yay! Okay, bye-bye for reals. If I can do it, you can do it.
I can't believe you're giving up so soon. You're such a baby. Go home to your mama.
Emma-chan. 最近ボール好きね。Say hi, Mom. Hey, Mom. Oh no, here comes the Emma monster. Oh no. Ah, she's gonna get me. Oh no. Ah!